Dyson Airwrap harness the Coanda effect with new time. Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible to everyone? Yes, it's fine. It's fine from my side. Please, you all can confirm. So, this side Heena Malhotra, your mathematics educator. So this time I am going to start trigonometry identities in your for example, if I am talking about ICSE board, so beta, you started your trigonometry chapter from 9th standard. So this chapter will be useful for the for all types of boards. For example, CBSE board, ICSE board, we are having IB board. तो बहुत सारे बोर्ड्स हैं जिसके सब में ये आपका 10th क्लास में आता है, और कई बोर्ड्स में, फॉर एग्जांपल आईसीएसई में कहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाता है आपका 9th स्टैंडर्ड में ही इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. हाय आदि, हु इज आई ऑफ गॉड? अर्थ विकास, हु इज आई ऑफ गॉड बाय द वे? आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज, सो काइंडली टेल मी योर नेम. ठीक है, इट्स क्लियर मैम, एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. ओके, ठीक है. सो एवरीवन लिसन केयरफुली. बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री जो है आपका, आज मैं आपका आइडेंटिटीज बेस्ड लेने वाली हूँ, आपका प्रूविंग वाले क्वेश्चन, जिसमें आपकी 3 मेन आइडेंटिटीज हैं. बट अगर आप अपनी बुक्स में देखो तो समटाइम्स दे आर राइटिंग टोटल 9 आइडेंटिटीज. बेसिकली उसी 3 आइडेंटिटीज को हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मेथड से लिख रहे हैं. सो डोंट वरी, आई विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग, ऑल द रिलेशंस ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एवरी each and every identity. For example, I am talking about sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. तो वो आपकी क्या है, एक आइडेंटिटी. इसी में हम आपका sin square theta या cos square theta निकालना चाहें तो इट मीन्स आई कैन राइट डाउन इन 2 more ways. ठीक है. So first is, if anybody wants to follow my profile, kindly download the Unacademy app. You can search Heena Malhotra in the category of ICSE class 9th and 10th. ठीक है बेटा. So definitely you will get my profile and you will get all the notification whenever you will follow my profile. Okay. Chalo, now the next part is, today's topic is trigonometry. Trigonometric identities including trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles, use of 4-figure trigonometric tables. This is the name of the chapter. ठीक है. Yes, okay, no problem. And you all can tell me your name if you are just if you have signed in with another account. So please tell me your real names. Okay. Next is trigonometric ratios. Beta, total how many ratios are there? We are having total 6 ratios. As we all have heard about sine theta, cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, tan theta, and cotangent theta. These are the proper names. But if we want to write down in a smaller way, so you all can see, first is sine. This is your sine. I can just write down sin. This we will call it as sine only. But the total, the full word is sine. Alphabets would be 4 alphabets. But we can just write down the sine, that is sin. Basically, we are having different relations. And trigonometric, why we are using this trigonometry, beta, I explained in your earlier classes. I'm not going to take it one more time. If anybody wants to do the chapter of trigonometry from the basic, so please see my previous classes. I had taken the classes in the previous month, and the name of the chapter would be trigonometry. Okay, introduction to trigonometry. I started why we are using, what is the main purpose of trigonometry in our real life. I connected this chapter with our real life. So it's a request, if you want to see the basic part, I mean why, what is the reason, so please see previous classes. Okay, chalo. So today we will do the relation part. I told you earlier also that trigonometry we always use in a right angle triangle. We always use in a right angle triangle. So suppose I am taking a right angle triangle. This is your, let it be A, B and C. Again, this is A, this is B and this is C. This is 90 degree. Got it? So if I am talking about what is perpendicular, what is base and what is hypotenuse. So AB is your perpendicular. BC is your base and AC is your hypotenuse. You all know about this thing. ठीक है? There is a relation of Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse का square is equals to perpendicular का square plus base का square. Definitely we will use that relation. In trigonometry, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, as you all know. ठीक है? Am I clear? Now the next part is, if I am saying what is hypotenuse, so it means it is in the slanted form. Perpendicular and base को we can interchange, but hypotenuse always opposite to 90 degree. As you all know कि हमारा 90 degree के opposite जो होगा that would be hypotenuse, but perpendicular and base की value we can interchange because if I am just रिवर्सिंग द ट्राइंगल, अगर मैंने ट्राइंगल को इस फॉर्म में कर दिया तो BC मेरा ऊपर चल जाएगा, मतलब CB क्या हो जाएगा मेरा परपेंडिकुलर. बेटा आई कैन जस्ट ड्रॉ इट for your just better understanding. If I am writing C here, B here and A here, so it means now this is the perpendicular, this is the base, this is base and this is your perpendicular. So we can take in any form. Okay, but just listen, the acute angle will be given to you. Acute angle means corresponding to this angle. So it means perpendicular will be opposite to this angle. Perpendicular will be opposite to this angle. If I am taking acute angle, listen, if I am taking acute angle, that is A. A को अगर हम acute angle ले रहे हैं, so बेटा BC would be your perpendicular. This is the main concept that I have noticed from so many years. Students are doing the mistake because of this कंफ्यूजन दैट एंगल सी है. सो एंगल सी एक्यूट एंगल है बेटा, इसमें आपको एक्यूट एंगल का बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखना है. एक्यूट एंगल के अपोजिट वाला इज योर परपेंडिकुलर. जैसे हम हाइपोटेन्यूज के लिए याद रखते हैं दैट 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट वाला एंगल, अपोजिट साइड इज योर हाइपोटेन्यूज. सिमिलरली वी विल रिमेंबर दैट इफ आई एम टेकिंग एक्यूट एंगल इज एंगल सी, सो इट मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर वुड बी AB. If I am taking acute angle, that is A, so it means CB would be your perpendicular and AB would be your base. Clear or not? Am I clear? If it is clear, kindly write down Y in the chat box. Y means yes. ठीक है? I always try that you should write down very less thing, but it should be for the interactive session. Yes, you are listening my session very carefully. ठीक है. एंड बेटा इफ यू विल लाइक द सेशन, काइंडली लाइक द वीडियो, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड शेयर इट विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वाई, हाँ जस्ट वाई इज सफिशिएंट. Now I told you this part. After that we will be having the relation sine ka, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Just I don't want to spend all the time on these things, so that's why I'm just taking very quickly this time. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, okay, full session I had taken, you all can see. ठीक है. Base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base, you all can see. Now the next page is, these are the main identities. Today's topic is based on this topic only, that is we are having three main identities. Three main identities means sine square A. First identity is sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. तो बेटा A यहाँ पे क्या है? What is A? A is your acute angle. A is your acute angle. Sometimes they will write sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So at acute angle पे they will take the theta. This would be your theta. So it means we can consider sine theta. ठीक है. Here it would be sine square C. If I am talking about sine square C plus cos square C, so it means it equals to 1. It can be anything, but it would be your acute angle. Similarly, we are having the second identity, that is 1 plus tan square A is equals to secant square A. 1 plus tan square A is equals to secant square A. Similarly, if we want to find out the value of 1, तो बेटा 1 की value के लिए I can shift secant square and here it would be minus tan square A. So it means on the basis of one identity we can just calculate the other two parts also. So if in the first property we are in the first identity we are saying sine square plus cos square A is equals to 1. Okay, fine, it's the value of 1. Suppose if we want to find out the value of sine square A, so cos square A will be shifted on the right side. Got it? Now the third one is 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosecant square A. So बेटा C and C से आप याद रख सकते हैं cot square A and cosecant square A होगा. T and S का आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. So it means these are the main identities that it would be useful for your trigonometrical identities chapter that we will take it today. Okay, just wait. Am I clear now? Where is my eraser? Hanji, clear beta? I hope it is clear to everyone. Ciao, chalo. Now the next page is first identity we are taking, that is tan A plus cot A is equals to secant A into cosecant A. We need to prove this question. First of all, we can take the LHS part. So I'm using yellow pen. I guess red pen will not be visible on the screen. So better to take yellow pen. So first of all, we are taking LHS. LHS means beta tan A plus cot A. This is our tan A plus cot A. Now, how can we prove this? So, first thing, I'm just telling you everything. Every time you need to convert. Most of the time, 90% it would be applicable. If anything is given in the form of tan, cot, secant, cosecant, try to convert only in this form of sine and cos. Try to convert only in the form of sine and cos. If you are not able to use any of the identity, just convert it in only in the sine and cos form. So for that, tan A means I can write down sine A upon cos A, as you all have studied the relation. So it means it would be sine A upon cos A, and cot A is a reciprocal of tan. So it means cot A ko I can write down cos A upon sine A. Now can I take the LCM? है ना? I can take the LCM. So it means it would be cos A and here it would be sine A. So beta cos A तो already है. What is not present? So that is sine A. So हम क्या करेंगे? Numerator के साथ sine A को multiply. It would be sine square A, and here it would be cos square A. I hope it's clear to everyone. ठीक है? Now what is sine square A plus cos square A? That is 1. So 1 upon में cos A and multiplied by sine A. ठीक है? तो बेटा 1 अपॉन कॉस ए. आपको ये सारे रिलेशन बहुत अच्छे से पता होने चाहिए. जिसको नहीं पता एक बार चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो. मैं आपको ये रिलेशन पहले समझा देती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं आगे कंटिन्यू करूंगी. इफ इट इज नॉट क्लियर टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, इफ ओनली 1 or 2 students are saying okay, so it means you need to revise. If all are not aware, so I guess I should explain it this part first. Okay? Now the next part is we need to prove secant A and cosecant A. Sometimes you are not able to prove till RHS, so at that time beta we can take LHS as well as RHS. LHS तो solve किया ही किया, RHS को भी solve करना start कर दो. But if we are able to convert, तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? 1 upon cos A क्या होगा बेटा हमारा? That is secant A. 1 upon cos A would be secant A, and sine A, 1 upon sine A क्या होगा? That is cosecant A. So I hope it's clear to everyone, and we can write down it is equals to RHS, and the last line we always write, therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. Clear or not? I hope it is clear. Clear? Okay. Now if any doubt, you can use your comment box. I can reply. I can see all the messages. I am using another device so that I can see all your messages. Okay. Chalo. Now the next question is cos raised to power 4. These are the 3 different parts. I'll take clear raised to power 900. Chalo, बहुत बढ़िया फिर तो. ठीक है. Now cos 4a minus sin 4a, and we need to prove that 2 cos square a minus 1 के equal आना चाहिए. So we are taking just LHS. We are taking LHS. So LHS LHS, and this is your first part. ठीक है. So cos 4a minus sin 4a. Got it? Cos 4a minus sin 4a. Clear? Now beta cos 4a को can I write down cos square a whole square, है ना, minus sin square a whole square. Yes. Now if I am saying a square minus b square, what I am saying, a square minus b square, We are having the property a plus b and a minus b. Similarly, here it is cos a whole square. Suppose karo cos a whole square minus sin a whole square. But if we are taking cos square a minus sin square a, so a आपका क्या हो गया cos square a, b क्या हो गया आपका sin square. So what can we write? That is cos square a plus sin square a. This is a plus b, and here I am writing cos square a minus sin square a. Got it? Now cos square a plus sin square a is equals to 1, and here what we can beta, हमें right side पे we need only cos, sin is not present. Okay, no problem, just write down cos square a minus sin square. ठीक है? Okay, now if I am saying cos square a minus sin square a, one को I can remove cos square a as it is. Sin square a, can I write down 1 minus cos square a? I have used the identity. I have used the earlier identity. So it means cos square a minus 1 minus minus plus cos square a. So beta cos square a. What we can write down? That is 2 cos square a minus 1. I guess that we need to prove. Clear? Okay, chalo. Now the second part we are taking 1 plus cot a whole square and 1 minus cot a whole square. So right side, next page pe I am taking this question. Second part, 1 plus cot a whole square plus 1 minus cot a whole square. Can anybody tell me what can we do in this question? Anybody? Okay, chalo, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So beta 1 plus cot a whole square. So it means a plus b ka whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it means this is 1 plus cot square a plus 2 cot a. Okay? Now here plus 1 plus cot square a minus 2 cot a. Okay? This and this cancel out. 1 plus 1, that is 2, and here 2 cot square a. This is 2 cot square a. What we need to prove? That is 2 cosecant square a. What we need to prove? 2 cosecant square a. So for that, can I take 2 common? 1 plus cot square a. So it means 1 plus cot square a is the identity of 2 cosecant square a. This is cosecant square a. I hope it is clear, and we can write down is equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, verified. Every time you need to write. Clear? Okay. Now, the next question is tan raised to power 4 plus tan raised to power 2. Third question is tan raised to power 4a plus or minus? Plus. This is plus tan square a. Okay. Can I take tan square a common? है ना? Tan square a common. LHS I am just solving. Tan square a. Here it would be tan square a plus 1. Okay. Now, can I write down 1 plus tan square a is the identity of secant square a. But what we need in the question, that is secant 4a minus secant square a. Can anybody tell me how can we do this question? Now I got it till this part. Similarly, can I try for the right hand side or can I do something else? Please tell me how can we solve this question? How can we solve this question? Everyone, please reply. I have taken tan square a. Now tan square a plus 1. Now please tell me how can I solve it further? Can I use some another property? Can I use some another property? I have used tan square a plus 1 is equals to secant square a. Okay? Similarly, if we want to write down, I am just saying that I need everything in the form of secant. Everything in the form of secant. So beta, can I convert tan square A again? Because I am not getting it. Otherwise, you need to prove right hand side. So for tan square A, secant square A, tan square A ko I can write down secant square A minus 1. Why? Because we are having the property, है ना? So it means secant square A, just now multiply. It would be secant 4A minus secant square. Clear? Am I clear? So it means is equals to RHS, hence proved. LHS is equals to RHS. Okay? This was your LHS, this is your RHS, and this is your LHS. I hope till this part all the 4 questions clear. Okay? I have taken this question and these 3 full solutions I have taken. Am I clear? Any doubt? If any doubt, please let me know. If any doubt, please let me know. Shall I proceed? Previous year question series. Previous year question series. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. ठीक है? Bharg Mishra, as you are saying, ma'am, previous year question series. I'll take it, but although I'll start it from from December month. ठीक है? Am I visible? From December month, I'll start. Okay, now the next question is, for example, I am taking this one. This is also very good question. See beta, sine theta plus cos theta is equals to 7 by 5. We need to find out the value of sine theta and cos theta. How can we do these type of questions? So beta, I can just start sine theta plus cos theta is equals to 7 by 5. Can I take squaring both sides? Can I take squaring both sides? MCQ session also, Bharg Mishra. MCQ session I am taking daily. I am taking on daily basis. You can see my profile. You will see poll war on this topic. Poll war on this topic. Please see my profile on Unacademy. Okay. Now sine theta plus cos theta. So if I am taking the square, sine theta cos theta whole square is equals to 7 by 5 is equals to 7 by 5 whole square. Can I use the property on the left side? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals 9. Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to 49 upon 25. So beta, can I say this is 1? We are using identities now, so it means sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So it means 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. We are supposed to find out the value of sine theta and cos theta. Just sine theta cos theta. Okay. Next is 49 upon 25. 49 upon 25. Got it? Till this part clear? Clear or not? Any doubts? Acha. Chalo. Now, can I shift 1 on the right side? If I am taking 1 on the right side, just wait. I am doing here. First of all, 2 sine theta cos theta 49 upon 25 minus 1. I'll take the LCM. 2 sine theta cos theta to 49 minus 25. It would be 24. Okay, after taking the LCM, 24 upon 25 and 2 would be divided on the right side. Sine theta plus cos, sine theta cos theta would be 12 upon 25. So it means the correct answer is second part. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Okay, now the next question is secant raised to power 4 minus tan raised to power 4 x is equals to what? You just need to do this question. You can take a common part or you can use the identity. For example, I am using the identity. Let it be white pen. Wait. What are you writing? Yes, so first of all, I will take secant. Why it is okay? Secant. This is secant 4a, 4 not 4a, it's 4x. It's secant square x, secant 4x minus tan 4x. Yeah. Now, can I take secant square x whole square minus tan square x whole square? Clear? Now, first of all, I can say secant square x plus tan square x. Now, secant square x minus tan square x. So beta, whenever we are solving secant square x minus tan square x, तो ये तो आपका 1 हुआ है ना. This is your 1. So what is left out? Secant square x plus tan square x. As you all can see, each and every answer is in the form of tan or none of the above. So what can I write? 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square x. So it means I can say 1 plus tan square x plus tan square x. So it means tan and tan would be 1 plus 2 tan square x, which is the correct answer. That is the third part. That is the third part. I hope it is clear. If it is clear, write down y. Write down y. Okay? Okay. Chalo. Shall I take one more question? One last question I'll take. I hope there is no doubt. Beta, this question will take, it is based on, I am just giving you the hint. You all will try. This would be your homework. This is your homework question. Okay? This is your homework question. Kindly try this. You have to use the identity a plus b whole square. Okay? And the right side a minus b whole square. This would be your homework question. This is very easy. You can try, but it would be very, it will be very long, long questions. That's why I'm saying just try it. Now, for example, secant a minus tan a, cosecant a plus cot a. So I'm just giving you the hints so that you can try at your place. Beta, secant a. In here, we are not supposed to think that what identity we should use or what should we do. So at that point of time, you can just convert in the form of sine and cos. As you all know, secant a ko I can write down 1 upon cos a. That is 1 upon cos A. Okay? 1 upon cos A minus tan A. So it means sin A upon cos A. I am taking LHS part. Cosecant. 1 upon sin A. Now cot A. Cos A upon sin A. Clear? Now I can take the LCM in the numerator. Numerator is this part. In the denominator. So it means I'll take the LCM and we'll do the reciprocal. We'll do the reciprocal. Clear or not? Hint is clear? This is the hint. Okay? So beta, now I have given today's homework would be this question and this question. Just complete this. These two are the homework questions. Okay? Now, as I have taken trigonometry identities, one more class will be there based on trigonometrical identities. If anybody wants to join, beta, on 9th of November, I will take one more YouTube class that will be based on surface area and volumes. If anybody wants to join, you can just recommend. These are the common topics that we are taking. Unacademy is providing you different subjects. Kindly follow all the profiles of that teachers. In, for example, you are taking a chemistry class, so kindly follow the profile of the teacher so that you will get all the notifications. Clear? I hope it is clear. Okay, any other thing you want to discuss? Any other thing? Kindly follow the profile on Unacademy, be regular on YouTube classes, on special classes, and on plus classes. Now the next thing is, if you have like the teaching style, so kindly come regularly and take all your classes. Trigonometric ka basic part I have introduced earlier, you all can see. Okay, kindly subscribe the channel, like the video, and share this video with all your friends. Okay, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and enjoy your Sunday. Take care, bye bye.